This is a funky pincha or funky peacock tutorial, which we work up to in my class, Funky Inversions. So it's really helpful to first have a nice foundation of Pincha Mayurasana. To come into this, you're going to set up as if you're setting up for Pincha Mayurasana, forearms down, shoulder width distance. Then you're going to lift one elbow. You're going to walk that hand back a little bit more. A lot of people feel that provides them with a more stable base from which to work. You're going to lift the hips into a funky dolphin. Floating the left leg up first if the right forearm is down and the left elbow is up. You're going to gaze forward and stack your shoulder vertical to your right elbow. Continue to gaze past the fingertips, and rather than powering up into an inversion as with any inversion, you're going to finesse it, lifting from the core. So little hops up, keeping the legs wide at first so you can get that teeter-totter balance. Zipping the legs up as you develop your core strength. Moving to the other side. Left forearm down, right forearm down, lifting the right elbow up, cocking the elbow out to the side for a 90-degree angle, piking the hips in funky dolphin, gaze forward, left shoulder vertical to the left elbow, right leg lifts, your chest is opening to the right, and easy finessed hops, cartwheel legs, zipping up through the midline of the legs, and then lowering down whenever you feel ready. You might cartwheel out of the pose to begin with, but if you've sufficiently warmed and opened the shoulders, it's a pretty safe space to land from. And just continue to have fun with it. Practice against the wall wherever you feel most comfortable. All right, thanks for tuning in.